Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Happy Friday. I hope you're having a great Friday so far. I actually hopped online here and saw the Member Appreciation Day. So it's actually going through August 27th and I don't see the calendar. Okay, so you know how we have like this calendar here showing us, okay, well it goes through the, okay, I see right here. Okay. August 27th is going to be, so this is the last window of little surprise windows to open. So we have today, they have given us the fragrance booster as the member appreciation kind of like sneak peek early access. So $19.95, friends. So first of all, I'm excited about the fragrance boosters. That I want to start with because that I'm more excited than laundry detergent because I do really like fragrant boosters. So let's see the scents that they have. We have eucalyptus mint. So they both have, so you're going to have your corresponding fragrance booster with your laundry detergent, which totally makes sense. Sun-drenched linen in the laundry detergent and fragrant booster. And then we have, so basically everything matches. So champagne toast in the fragrant booster, mahogany teakwood. Oh, wait, Sunshine Day. Wait a minute. I think that might be new. Wait a second. I think that one's a new one. So this is Juicy Clementine, Bright Lemon, and Sweet Peach. Okay, so this one I'm actually really interested in. So the normal retail price is going to be, everyday price is going to be $19.95, but early access is going to be $2 for $30, making them $15 each. I really like this bright yellow, by the way. That is so cute. It's so retro looking. I don't know. The shape of the bottle and then the color is very retro. Anyway, so if you have that 20% off, then it would be, let's see, 15, so 30. Let me just do the math here. So 30 take away 20% is divided by 2. So it would make them $12 each. So if you want to do it like that, and then, but the stores don't have them in, I haven't seen them in my stores around me yet. So there is shipping, which is free with a $50 purchase. So that's the only other kind of, thing about this is I wish there was offering free shipping to try this out. But there is champagne toast in the fragrant booster, which is awesome. I love that. In fact, I just took my champagne toast out of my cabinet to use in my shower. The shower gel, I love champagne toast. Isn't that a cute little bottle? That would be one I would get in the fragrant booster. So I definitely will try the fragrant boosters out. So we have a fruit, sweet, sparkling spritzer. This is like the OG, that champagne toast. Next up is we have lavender vanilla, pineapple mango. So you know what? They have added some scents to the lineup since we last saw them, you know, with the preview day. So with this early access here going on, they've actually added quite a bit more. So, you know, before there wasn't a pineapple mango laundry detergent, but now there is, and a corresponding booster, fragrant booster. Now Palo Santo, I think that one's new too. Cozy Cashmere, 1,000 Wishes. Look at this ocean. Yeah, this is totally awesome. So I'm actually really excited about this, seeing that there's more laundry detergent. Again, laundry detergent is not my favorite in this collection. I've reviewed it before. It might just be me how I use it, but it's very, very concentrated, friends. And I really like to use a lot of soap in my little tray where I fill it up. And I feel like, you know, if I follow the instructions, it's just I feel like it's not enough soap, and then if I put too much of this product in there, it like basically clogs it gets too sudsy is what I'm trying to say, and then I have to run the Lotus a lot of times. So it's not really, I think the detergent is not really a fit for me, but the boosters are totally user friendly for me. So I definitely want to try the boosters for sure. So Cactus Blossom, that would be amazing. I'm sure that is a really strong one in the booster, the fragrant booster. Okay. So that is exciting, and it says works in cold water for our fragrant boosters, high efficiency machines. It says booster beads in beautiful fragrance add a little oomph to your laundry. Okay, friends, so I'm going to go ahead and back out of this and let's go to the main page. I'm really excited about some other things going on online and in stores. So we have, let's go through this calendar here. This is like almost like an advent calendar. Reminds me of that. So sorry you missed it. The member exclusive. They did. I'm trying to click on this and I can't click on it anymore, but they did add sizes to the slippers. And I feel like they should have left this online or, available for the whole week. I really feel like that. So either we'll see these maybe at Christmas time pop back up or maybe at semi-annual sale. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, because I'm surprised they only had, it was literally only online for like, I think 2 or 3 days at most. Okay, so the $12.95 select 3-wick candles has ended. However, the $13.95, all 3 wicks is still going on. Now, I've been wondering, you see this candle holder? I've been seeing this a lot, and I'm wondering if that is something that's coming to the stores. I know it looks just like a, piece of like tree trunk, but I like the natural look of it. And I'm just wondering if this is going to be coming as a candle holder. I probably not, but sometimes, I'll see things and, wonder and they do show up. So let's see. I don't know. That's something, I don't know. I'm just interested in, I like the idea of it, but anyways, okay. So let's look at this for a little bit more. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So I did go in store yesterday. Today is now Friday, and I did a store walkthrough, and they have the new candles at my store. And so I have a haul for you guys. I picked up some candles. And what was I going to say to you guys? I'm going to show you that the Halloween candles are included in the $13.95 deal. And let me try. I actually went a little bit too far back in the screen. Let's go back over here. This is where I wanted to go. The early access over here. So this is going to show us the new fall candles and that type of thing. The fall glass house. This is so pretty, friends. I love this house so much. $34.95. If you have that 10 off 30, it would make it $24.95. I actually included a picture in this video I'm going to show you of a photo I took at the store yesterday. This is it lit up. Okay, so it's hard to see the leaves on the wall because this is a black background, but I really think this is such an inviting, let me zoom in. Oh my gosh, I love this house, friends. And I'm thinking I'm going to get it at the 20% off because I used my 10 off 30 yesterday. So it's just something about it is so beautiful. The brick, it looks like a glass house. It looks like it's from London because it's tall and narrow. I love the juxtaposition of like the cool tones and the warm tones together. And it's just, I think this would work at like even Christmas time. I hope they do like a series of these like glass houses because I think they're really, really cool. Because I could imagine something like this at Christmas with like a Christmas tree outside here, the Christmas lights up here. I mean, it would be amazing. Some snow up here on the rooftop, but the same concept of like a glass house. Okay, so there we have that. And then also here's another view of me just holding it without it lit up so you can see the difference with the light, how much light it gives off. Okay, now let's head back over here and I'm gonna show you some other things. So in store, I also did a walkthrough and I showed the shave cream and all that. So I didn't find any of this yet in store, the Moonlight Martini, and I didn't find any of the other body care. So that should be coming, I'm sure, any day now to the stores. But I did see like the pumpkin cupcake in store. And I just think that packaging is so darling. So I want to show you, that's a picture I took in store. So, so cute. I love that little pink wax there. And then there's also, it smells amazing, by the way. It smells divine, pumpkin cupcake. And then pumpkin snickerdoodle is so cute, friends. I love pumpkin snickerdoodle. So Praline Delight. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let you know, I have a haul for you guys, but I want to let you know, as soon as I got home, I started burning this. Let me tell you, friends, this is amazing. Like absolutely 10 out of 10, amazing. And I want backups. I'll review it soon for you. Hopefully I can review it for you guys because it literally is so, so nice. It's such a gourmand. Fills the house up with like just a beautiful food like fragrance, but it's like how do I explain it? I didn't want to turn it off. That's what I'm saying. It's like very yummy, like smelling. And I know it's like kind of like, I'm not really describing it very well, but all I can say is on the first burn, I'm super, super impressed, and I definitely want more of it. And it's definitely a 10 out of 10. And yeah, it smells like a nutty, sweet sliver of heaven. Yeah, I would definitely say that for sure. So like I said, that was one of the candles I got yesterday, and I'm absolutely loving it. Like seriously loving it. Okay, so then I was gonna say, what else was I gonna say? Oh, so they have some new accessories in store that I want to show you that are also available online. So if you're looking at the online items to maybe order, they do, you could use a reward on them. But I always save my rewards. This is just me. I always save my rewards for like like I try to get the highest priced item with it, like the wallflower plugs or, so like the pocket backs are, still, the $4.95 isn't a really good deal to redeem it for, but like the wallflower fragrant plug, this is $16.95. This is so pretty. Again, I saw that in store yesterday. And here's a photo of it a little bit closer up. It is so pretty, friends. I love this. It's got this velvet look to it. So, I'm just really loving the fall wallflower plugs. And then I also wanted to show you this cute little pocket back holder. I'm trying to find it. Sorry. This adorable pocket back holder. Where did you go? Where did you go? Let's see. It's the doggy. It's the doggy, if I can find it. There he is. The LED tennis ball dog. So it is super bright. This, you can see right here. It's actually like a flashlight. It's that bright. But here it is, a picture of it I took in store yesterday, sorry, so you could see it. It's just so cute. It has so much personality, and I love his little ear like that. And then there's a closer view. I love that it looks like the fluffy fur and the eyebrows, and just so, so sweet. So anyways, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video today. Wanted to go over the member appreciation. I think we're on day number 5. Yeah, day number 5. And so, yeah, wanted to see, and I'm actually getting excited about the boosters, the laundry boosters. That's fun. That's a fun one. So anyways, you guys have a beautiful day. I'll see you later on with my haul. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon, okay? So till next time, take care. God bless you always. And I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye.